I got a Breyer box in the mail, but I didn't order anything. My dog was very suspicious about it. After I got the box open, my mom said she entered me into a giveaway, but never got notified of anything. I do find it funny that they have their eco-friendly packaging and then the horse is wrapped in plastic. This guy was a gambler's choice, a random of 3. There was a Pinto, an Appaloosa, and this gray that I got. I definitely would have preferred one of the other 2, but this guy is still pretty cool. They also threw in a April Fool's Day stablemate. I think the one I got was one of my favorites out of all of them. They were less detailed than their stablemates normally are, but maybe they're supposed to be.